to our YouTube channel, Sid Education. In our previous video, we have seen one example and we have traced how exactly insertion sort algorithm works. In this video, we are going to write how exactly this insertion sort algorithm look like. So let's get started. Again, before I get started with writing the algorithm, I wanted to again show you how this algorithm works so that we can have a quick recap. So let's say my array is 7452 with element 7452. So what I do, I get started with the second element and I compare my second element with the left available elements. So if I say this is my current element, what I'm going to do, I'm going to compare whether this current element is less than the left element. If it is yes, I'm going to change the position. So in this case, yes, 4 is less than 7. So 7 will come, 4 will come, and other remains same. Then I'm going to change this 4 to the next element, and again I'm going to compare with the left element. If the condition is true, then again I'm going to check with another left. If the condition is false, I'm going to stop there. For example, 5 is less than 7. This condition is true. So yes, I'm gonna check with the 4 also. 5 is less than 4? No. So 5 is greater than 4. So I will stop here. So I will not change the position. The only position will change here. So 7 will come here, 5 will come here, 4 will come here, 2 will come here. And in one more iteration, what I'm going to do is, so 2. Now check 2 is less than 7, condition is true, change the position and continue. Continue means take the next element. 2 is less than 5, condition is true, change the position. Then go to next element. It's 2 less than 4, yes, condition satisfies. So 4 will come and 2 will come here. So we have seen this. If we have n elements, how many iterations we got? We got n minus 1 element iterations. Okay, so on this same ground, let's write the algorithm. So if you see, we need two things. One, a loop where I'm checking with first element, then second, then third, or I mean say from starting from second element, then third element, fourth element, so on. And third, about this thing, about checking these things, right? First checking the condition and then going to the next element. Checking the condition, going to the next element, right? So two important loops I need to work on. So let's get started. So let me write, I am going to write insertion sort algorithm, insertion sort, which will have an array, right, as my input, as a parameter. So what is the purpose? My purpose is to sort a given array, by inserting elements, or I can say insertion sort, right? What will be my input? Yes, input will be a simple array. Okay, what will be my output? My output will be simply the sorted array. Again, sorted array means ascending order. Okay, n minus 1. So I told you we need two things. One thing to care of this, sorry, to care of uh, this thing, this loop, and another thing to care of this iterations, right? So let's write. So let me write for the first thing, this thing. Okay, let me write first for this thing. So I need a for loop which will start from 1 to n minus 1, and what it will do, I'll assign, let's say, my v, okay, or my key pair. Okay, if you don't want, you can write a key. Okay, key element to a of I. Okay, now I'll write j, which will be nothing but I minus 1. Now you would have understood, if this is key element, this is I minus 1 element, right? So now what I have to do, I need to compare. So while j is greater than or equal to 0 and your a of j, that is this element, right, the next left element, if it is greater than your key element, then what you need to do, you need to change the position. How you're going to change the position? You're going to write a of j plus 1 will be a of j, correct? And then you're going to change this j variable to this. Are you understanding it? Then at the end, what you're going to do after this while loop is done, we're going to write a of j plus 1 is equals to your key pair. Are you getting it? So this is the simplest algorithm of the insertion sort. In our next video, we are going to derive the time complexities from this algorithm. So please stay tuned for the next video. If you do like this video, please share, subscribe and comment. Thank you.